Next up, Vondel Recon for Crown. We need to have 2 UAV towers active at the same time on Vondel. The easiest way to do this is to locate 2 UAV towers, preferably as close together as possible, and if you have teammates, this is going to be even easier. All you need to do is activate one and make a breakneck sprint all the way to the second. If you have a car, life should be even easier, especially if you have friends around, for example. You two can both go to 2 separate UAV towers and prepare to hit the button at the same time. That way you don't even need to worry about traveling between them. But for the most part, this is a seriously small map, so traveling between 2 UAV points really isn't an issue at all, such as this here. I've barely even finished speaking, and just like that, I've already finished the mission. It's really easy. So that's about it for this quick guide. Thank you all for watching. My name is Troubleshoot. That has been Vondel Recon, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao!